Pool Payday can drain your battery faster when it stays active in the background, especially if the app is repeatedly refreshing game data, loading ads, or maintaining a network connection. If Pool Payday is using more battery than expected, these steps will help you identify whether the problem comes from the app, background activity, your connection, or your phone settings. First, check whether Pool Payday is actually responsible for the battery drain. On Android, open Settings, then Battery, and check the battery usage list. On iPhone, open Settings, then Battery, and review the app activity shown for Pool Payday. If Pool Payday is near the top of the list even when you have barely used it, background activity may be contributing to the problem. Next, completely close Pool Payday and open it again. If the battery drain stops after restarting the app, a temporary background process may have been keeping the app active. If you're using Android, open the Pool Payday app information page and check the battery settings. If your phone gives you an option to restrict background battery usage, enable it, and then test the app normally. The exact menu names can vary between Samsung, Google Pixel, OnePlus, and other Android phones. On iPhone, check Settings, General, and Background App Refresh. If Background App Refresh is enabled for Pool Payday, turning it off can prevent the app from performing background updates when you're not actively using it. Your network connection can also affect battery usage. A weak Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can make apps repeatedly attempt to communicate with their servers. Test Pool Payday on a stable connection and compare the battery behavior. Then, check for an available Pool Payday update in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. App updates can include fixes for crashes, background activity, compatibility problems, and other performance issues. If the battery drain started immediately after a Pool Payday update, restart your phone before changing multiple settings. This gives the operating system a chance to clear temporary processes created during the update. If the problem continues, uninstalling and reinstalling Pool Payday can also help with corrupted local app data. Before doing that, make sure you know your Pool Payday login details so you can sign back into the correct account. The key points are simple. Check battery usage first, restrict unnecessary background activity, and keep both Pool Payday and your phone software updated. Your next step is to check your phone's battery usage screen while Pool Payday is installed. If this fix helped, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.